I repent of my sins.
Oh.
Come into my heart. I make you my Lord and Savior.
We talk about this moment where I was trying to get the career off the ground, and all of a sudden it started taking off. And I was in demand everywhere. We were selling out. We couldn't add any more seats to the theater. I was doing...
Yeah, this is good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Law Books and Africans. In today's episode, you guys are going to be coming with me on my journey to get Sisterlock, which is why I look like this right now. So last night I washed my hair out with shampoo. I didn't put any conditioner or anything in it. I just washed it and put some plaits in it because today I'm getting my Sisterlocks installed at 7 a.m. and it's actually 7:02 and I need to run. Miss Barbara's waiting for me. Alrighty, I'm gonna see you guys in a few. I'm gonna try to vlog if I can. If I can't, hey, I'm still gonna show you guys the ending result. Bye. So I have my stool I'm taking out, my camper bag.
In customer satisfaction for primary mortgage origination. And for the 4th year in a row, they've also ranked us highest in the nation for mortgage servicing. If you're not familiar with HARP, it's a...
It only costs a fraction of the price to make. We thought that was crazy, so we made our own watch company. We created unique watch designs, launched online at fair prices, developed new styles, shipped to over 160 countries around the world, and created a community. Now, you don't have to overpay for a nice watch. Instead...
Also, it's coming to hey guys! Anyway, I just finished my Sisterlock installation. My lighting is not that great. Can you guys see it? I'm super excited. I have little clips that I took with my phone, so I'm going to upload that in this video. Anyway, I'm home. Look at my...